Hi, I'm Rebecca McQueen and welcome to our Labour Comfort Kit module. The aim of this module is to get the cogs turning about the things that you can take into hospital for you and your birth partner that are going to help you have a better labour and birth experience. I'd like to share with you some ideas around what to pack for mum and also what to take into hospital for birth partners. More often than not, hospitals will give you an extensive list of what to pack for your baby, but this is for you, the team, that's going to help you most have a better birthing experience. So what is it that mum can throw in the bag that's going to help her for labour and birth?